right, look at the campsite. I'm probably gonna be sleeping in the van more than likely tonight, if it ain't too hot. This is our second trip to Iron Mountain here in Dahlonega, Georgia. We are spending the entire weekend out here and just gonna ride, hang out here by the campfire, have a good time. This is Friday. We just got here a little while ago. We're just gonna take a little spin around this evening and see what we can see tomorrow. Hitting some single track first thing. Yes, sir. Yee-hoo. That last jump was good on the fork seals. That last one's good on the fork seals. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, boy, another overlook spot. Check her out. Junior wants a little piece of the 250 here. Woo, baby! Get him out. Not even close. On the go, you're not counting, dude. Yeah. It wasn't even close. Yeah. Hell yeah. Well, good morning, two-wheel enthusiasts. Day number 2 at Iron Mountain Park here. We're about to hit some single track. Let's get into it. All right, first freaking 2 minutes into the single track. And it is sloppy. Sloppy. Wow. And cobwebs across every tree. It's gonna be a muddy one. Yeah, boy. Almost. Come on. Yes, sir. Up here, maybe? Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Stand up, Kevin. So much more control. Come on. Oh, hell. Al.
You all right?
Yeah. Might need a hand.
Hold on. I'm coming.
There we go.
You good?
Yeah. Look, saw that mushroom. Holy crap. Oh, hell. You rat bastard. Thank you. Got to hide there. There you go. Downhill. Eee. Come on! Yes, sir! Felt good getting that hill climb. Last time I was here, kind of put a whipping on. Yes, sir. Cannot believe I am still eating all these cobwebs, man. Come on. There's a big stump there. Another big spider there. Spiders are gonna be the death of me today. Killing me. Oh shit. Come on, you bitch. Not pretty, but I'll take it. Oh. That was ugly, but we made it. Man, I'm gonna have to trudge through it. Oh my goodness. So tight. Woo!
Got to get style points.
I was.
Got to get style points up on that burn, bitch. Fuck yourself.
Oh, yeah, it did. Yeah, then we just come through here. I don't believe we've been through here yet. All right, back from lunch. More single track. Supposedly it's a pretty good loop that puts us out right by the bathhouses, by the campsite. So we're about to find out. I'm with you. Whew.
Get down to the bottom, we'll take a break.
Yep. Man, what an epic trip this has been. We ain't done yet, but they're calling for a little bit of rain this afternoon. So we're getting in as much riding as we can before the rain gets here. What a time though. Y'all give me a thumbs up, like button if you enjoy moto camping.